Alright guys, so that was a quick stop. Now I'm going towards the east coast. Of the island, and there's another viewing point over there. Now hopefully there's gonna be a bathroom or a toilet over there, because I need to go after that coffee. I didn't need to go for an hour, but now I need to go. So yeah, very nice views, as you can see. Camera records. Yes, it does. Okay. Very nice views. Some more mountains over there. Cows over here. My friend. Like keep to the right. Keep to your side of the street. So why are you going on the right hand side? I know there's cows, but come on. Fuel wise, I have shit on the fuel, I suppose. What else? Yeah, it's gonna be 25 minutes to the next destination, and then I will be going south pretty much all the way. I'm not gonna be tanking on this one. I'll be tanking next day, I think. Or maybe not, because it's not a lot of miles. This one is what, 11 miles. The next one is gonna be about 30 miles. So I might just get away with not putting any fuel at all anymore, because I'm tanked to the brim. So I don't think I'm gonna tank on the Isle of Skye anymore. And because most of the time they have E10, and I don't want E10, I want E5. Hump. I want E5 petrol. But well, like I said, I don't think I need to tank on this island anymore. I will be tanking on my way back tomorrow. I should have more than enough fuel for that. So anyway, enjoy this part of the trip around the Isle of Skye, and I will either see you towards the end of this part, or I'll talk to you rather, or if I have something interesting or I see something interesting, I'm gonna comment on stuff like that. You know how it works. Anyway, I'll put some music on and enjoy the views.
All the barricades, I wanna know why they hold me back. Need a miracle to break me through, but I won't get that. If I was a real wonder, then I could save me from turning around, lift me off the ground, and one day I'm free. Yeah, I wanna be a real wonder. Heaven lift me up from under. Wishing I could be somehow stronger now, so I can fight away all the pain inside me. Never be afraid of the fate that finds me. Wishing I could be stronger, so I can be a real wonder.
If you wanna be a wonder, baby, come and show it. Tell me what you feel in your heart and your soul. There's nothing I would take for granted. With me, we'll make it through. Takes two hearts to fix heartbreak. We grew apart, I made a mistake, but I'll try to make it up to you, my darling. Ooh.
I wanna be a real wonder. Heaven lift me up from under. Wishing I could be somehow stronger now,
So I can fight away all the pain inside me. Never be afraid of the fate that finds me. Wish that I could be stronger, so I can be a real wonder. So I can fight away all the pain inside me. Never be afraid of the fate that finds me. Wish that I could be stronger, so I can be a real wonder.
Fucking hell. It's like you pass that passing place and you're fucked. And these vans are not slowing down at all, man. Say, nope. You have to give me space. I'd rather give space than fucking be flattened on the ground. If you catch my drift. Where am I going now? Is it turning left? It is turning right. Right, not left. Mistaken identity. Okay. How's the car situation? There it is. How's the car situation? Yeah, I knew that home. 20. Maximum speed 24. Bollocks, mate. 200 yards. So where am I going? Not there, obviously. Water? What? That's nice holes over there. Look at the view over there. There you have. I will stop for a second, so you can have a proper look, I suppose. Not where the holes are, please. Over here will do. Nothing behind me. No, not so far. Look, you have another island over there. I think there was a name for it. I don't remember those names. But it's. I could probably. Nah, I'm not gonna do that because I'm gonna fuck up my own GPS with the glove. But there you go. And then you have more stuff over there. That's. I think that's mainland because if you look at it, it might be the mainland like extending. Could be. Or could be another island. I have no idea, to be honest. Like position wise. If I'm on the east coast, could be the mainland of Scotland. Like protruding mainland. Look at the views. That's nice views, isn't it? Alright, let's continue. Let's continue with them sheep. 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 2 sheep. Eating grass. And making eggs on the road. Laying eggs on the road. Shit. Yeah, don't run. Don't even fucking think about that ship. It's no cars. Interesting. Sheep. No. Don't even fucking think about that. I can't escape over here because this is just a ridges, mate. It's not even a road. Wow, that looks nice. There's a guy going over there like hiking. But look at that. Like that is nice. That is nice road. That is. Look, there's a pond in the middle as well. There. Look, that's nice views right there. See? Really nice. Okay, there's a car coming. And there might be another car coming this because it's a bend and they're always on the bends. Or not. But there's ships on the bend. Ship. There's a car. There's the car. Cattle grid. My nemesis. Cattle grid, my nemesis. I'll slow down. There we go. It's a new road though. Again, they could have extended it or something. I don't know, man. It's like... Don't understand that sometimes. 12 more minutes.
this mental friction. Clearly it's been broken. Borderline tragic. You're so dramatic. It's automatic. You turn it on like magic. What would it take to make you feel better again? What would it take to make you feel better again? What would it take to make you feel better again? Better again. So bitter, walking a fine line, living a white lie. You're wasting my time, waiting for a bright side. Staring up at the ceiling, do we lose the plot? Could you interfere with the feelings? This is all we got. It should have been fucking easy, well turns out it's not. Can someone please stop the bleeding till you call the shots? So staring up at the ceiling, do we lose the plot? Could you interfere with the feelings? This is all we got. It should have been fucking easy, well turns out it's not. Can someone please stop the bleeding?
Ah, 2 more minutes. So I'm almost there. So this is the east coast of the Isle of Skye. So on the right I have mountains, as you can see over there. And on the left I have the sea. It's not a pond, it's not like a lock, it's a sea, it's a proper sea. So yeah, this is the eastern coastline, if you will. Depends how you look at the map, I suppose. Kind of northern coastline, if you will, because the Isle of Skye is kind of like situated to the side kind of thing, so it would be northern coastline if you look at it that way. But for the purposes of my kind of how I'm looking at the, like when I arrived with the ferry, I'm looking at the top of the, what's called, the island, and that's the north for me of the island kind of thing, you know. That's how I see it. So this is eastern part to me, but in reality it would be northern parts of the island, kind of, if you look at it from the perspective of like a whole like world map, because the north is that way, left. somewhere there. And I'm stopping over here. Yeah. Stopping over here. Oh, okay. I can put away the thing, this one and go away, and this one. So this is the stop I wanted to do. Yes. Yes. Everything goes that way. I suppose I'll turn around and face that way as well, so I can just spin around that way. Not to bother people too much, I suppose. Yeah. Okay, so this is the stop basically. I'll turn this way and I'll turn right anyway. Going that way. Right, so this is the eastern, or if you prefer northern, so north is over there, or Scotland over there, like where I'm looking. Pretty much that's where the north of Scotland is, I think. If I were to look at it, I believe so. And I'm rarely wrong. But yeah, I'll sit here for 10-15 minutes because I need to charge my cameras. My camera and my phone. It's 40% that phone. So I need to charge it. And then, oh my back, and then I'll continue on. It's 3 o'clock. So I have more than 2 hours to get back to the ferry, which from here is gonna take me about an hour and a half maximum. Which is not that bad. So yeah, thanks for watching, and now join me in the next part of this Isle of Skye exploration trip. Blast out.